hear me at all because I've got the case on it.
This is my first shot with the Hero10. This is with the case on it. I think the colors look great. The contrast is great. I think that it may look even better than my Insta360. Okay, so I'm shooting on the new GoPro Hero10, riding Widowmaker. So I usually use an Insta360. In fact, this is on an Insta360 stick. But I thought I'd try the Hero10. I haven't had a GoPro since the Hero2, which I actually still have, and would use every once in a while. But I thought I'd see how this Hero10 is doing. Right now I'm just testing the sound. The GoPro I had before had absolute horrible sound, and it had to be in a case. So this is a shot of the outdoors. By the way, what I'm filming here is a Cycle Eagle electric skateboard. This is a great board. It has four-wheel drive, four-wheel independent suspension. This will go 27 miles an hour, and I can get about 17 miles on one battery, but when I bought it, they threw in an extra battery. It's really a lot of fun, and I love riding it. This board costs around, I think around $2,200. I got a discount when I bought mine. It's now called Ride Propel, but at the time it was called Cycle Eagle. They were changing the name of the board. Okay, now we're trying this while riding a electric unicycle. What's the difference? None really. This is an InMotion V11 electric unicycle. This one has suspension. It's a great unicycle. This costs around $2,000, and it will go 34 miles an hour, and you can go over 50 miles on this wheel on a full charge. I'm really curious about what the sound is like on this, and what I can use. Is there a Bluetooth mic I can use or something? If you know, could you put something in the comments? Or if you have another idea as to how you capture good audio while recording yourselves, either on a GoPro